Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about Python. Nowadays, Python is one of the most popular programming languages. Many beginners are starting their coding journey with Python because it is very easy to learn. So, let us understand some important points about Python one by one. Python is a programming language. Programming language means a language used to communicate with computers. Using Python, you can give instructions to the computer and make it to do tasks. Python is a high level language. That means Python is easy for humans to read and understand. The syntax looks simple, almost like English. That is why beginners can learn Python very quickly. Python is also an object oriented language. This means Python can work with objects and real world concepts. For example, car, mobile, student, all these can be treated as objects in programming. Python is also called as scripting language. It is used to automate tasks and save time. For example, automatic file handling, sending emails, data processing, these tasks can be done easily using Python. Python was created by Guido van Rossum in 1991. He is a Dutch programmer. Even after many years, Python is still one of the top programming languages in the world. Python files use .py extension. For example, hello.py, app.py, like that. Whenever you see .py, it means it is a Python file. Python is very user-friendly language. The code is very simple and easy to understand. We can write less code and do more work. This is one big reason why Python become very popular. The name Python came from a BBC comedy show called Monty Python's Flying Circus. So the name was not taken from the snake. Python also has a very large community. Millions of developers use Python around the world. So, if you have any doubts, you can easily find tutorials, videos, and solutions in online. Python also provides large standard libraries. Libraries contains ready-made code. These libraries help developers complete tasks faster without writing everything from the beginning. Python supports modules, packages, and frameworks. Modules are Python files containing code. Packages are collections of modules. Frameworks helps developers build big applications very easily. Python is used in many fields like web development, artificial intelligence, data science, automation, cybersecurity, and many big companies like Google and Instagram use Python. So guys, these are some important basics of Python. In the next video, we will learn how to install Python and run our first program. See you in the next video.